What is CMOS technology? CMOS stands for Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor, which refers to both a type of semiconductor technology and a specific type of integrated circuit design. CMOS technology involves using complementary and symmetrical pairs of p-type and n-type metal oxide semiconductor field effect, transistors, confistors to create digital logic gates and other digital circuits. These transistors work together to achieve efficient switching and low power consumption. CMOS technology allows for high integration of components on a chip due to its small size and low power requirements. CMOS circuits have high noise immunity due to their differential signaling and design, making them less susceptible to interference. Low power consumption. CMOS circuits consume very little power because they only draw power during switching transitions, unlike other technologies where there's a constant power drain. The CMOS technology is widely used in the production of integrated circuits due to several advantages. CMOS technology finds applications in various electronic devices such as microprocessors, memory chips, sensors, and many other digital systems, owing to its efficiency, reliability, and widespread use in modern. Additionally, the term CMOS is also used to refer to a specific part of a computer system. The CMOS battery-powered semiconductor chip that stores system settings including date and time, BIOS configurations, and other essential information in devices like PCs and laptops.